Welcome to Saranam, your refuge through surrender. Since 1999, Saranam has bridged ancient temple rituals and global devotion, delivering sacred experiences from India directly to your doorstep. In 1999, Chennai-based engineers Mahesh Mohanan and Mervyn Jose founded Saranam.com, with support from Silk Route in Chem and a few private investors. Their aim was clear: to facilitate authentic, transparent, inclusive Hindu rituals, without affiliations or bias. Saranam's innovative model drew international attention. In a 2007 Washington Post feature, Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist Kevin Sullivan's article, Linking Ancient and Modern, a worldwide web of worship, offered a detailed account of how Saranam facilitated remote Hindu rituals and beautifully illustrated how it was revolutionizing access to rituals. BBC News and CNN International also profiled Saranam, praising its role in preserving spiritual continuity when physical temples were inaccessible. Launched in 1999 with temple pujas, Saranam expanded into homams, astrology services, and curated Rudraksha. Each ritual comes with verified proof, ensuring total transparency. Within a few years of its launch, Saranam served thousands of devotees annually, fulfilling hundreds of rituals each month. Now a trusted spiritual link across continents, it serves devotees of Indian and non-Indian descent all around the world. As the world's first online puja service, Saranam prioritizes trust. Verified temple receipts, status alerts, carefully couriered offerings, and a no-questions-asked refund policy safeguard every transaction. Incorporated on February 29, 2000, Saranam India Private Limited reported a remarkable growth in revenue and increase in profits over the years. Founders like Mahesh Mohanan continue to guide the company's spiritual mission. Saranam is innovating with group homams, wellness and healing consultation, astrology, and a redesigned website. With deeper temple partnerships and enhanced spiritual content, the journey of tradition meets technology rolls on. For more than 25 years, Saranam has nurtured global spiritual connections rooted in trust, devotion, and integrity. Join thousands of satisfied devotees, finding sanctuary through sacred rituals. Visit Saranam.com, the world's first Hindu ritual facilitator, since 1999.